Hi, and welcome to this short overview of what's new in this release of Bsure Insights. In this version, we focused on making reports and insights more actionable, easier to review, and easier to follow up on. We've also introduced assessments with notifications in email and Teams, as well as AI chat, where you can ask questions directly against your Bsure data. We've added several new reports and insights to help you investigate key areas such as Mail and OneDrive storage report, helping you identify unused shared mailboxes, storage usage, and other cleanup opportunities. A dedicated Windows Autopilot report, deep dives into PIM rule usage and PIM activation details, and also an agent report showing agents, permissions, and ownership. The goal is not only to show more data, but to make it easier to understand where action may be needed. With assessments, you can define focus areas that you want to keep under control. You can configure thresholds and receive notifications when something requires attention. These notifications can be sent by email or Microsoft Teams, making it easier to follow up without constantly checking reports manually. This helps turn insights into an active monitoring workflow. We've also added insights into suspicious mail forwarding. This helps identify mailbox forwarding behavior that may indicate misconfiguration, data leakage, or potentially compromised accounts. This is a good example of how the new insights are designed to surface findings that are easy to understand and important to follow up on. With AI chat, you can use natural language to ask questions about your Bsure data. For example, you can ask, how is my tenant related to the NIS2 framework? This feature is currently offered to pilot customers. If you want access, please contact us. To use AI chat, you either need a Microsoft Foundry project or an OpenAI business subscription. To summarize, this release introduced new reports, insights, assessments with notifications, and AI-powered ways to work with your findings. We've also added many smaller improvements to reports and configuration, which are described in the release notes. You can press the question mark and select recent changes to revisit the highlights whenever needed. Thanks for watching.